I'm gonna tell you guys 3 benefits of assisted living real estate. Number 1, cash flow on assisted living is insane. We currently have 2 that we own. We got another one under contract in Austin proper, and the cash flow is beautiful on these properties. Number 2, you have an opportunity to do something really good. It's actually way more important than the money. We're making an impact in these people's lives. We have people there that are spicing things up, making it fun, putting on music, doing events, and the people that are living there are actually really, really loving it. Number 3, it's a business within a business. You get to own the real estate, but then you have the business component. That's what makes it so fun. You get to tweak different things, bring in more people to come, add value. We have a private chef that cooks for all 3 assisted living facilities. It's really exciting, and we believe we're doing something really positive and making a really good impact at the end of a lot of people's lives. Hey, if you want to talk more about assisted living, let us know. Like, follow, comment for more.